Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2024 BMW 2 Series. You're going to find it located on the passenger side under this engine air box. This is the part number for the engine air filter. And this is what the engine air filter is going to look like. So you're going to have 4 clips, one here, one on the inside here, and then 2 more on the back side. We're going to start with a small flathead screwdriver and pry these out. Same thing for the other one on the inside. Now we're going to switch over to the other side, and you can undo those by hand. Flip open the engine air filter box top cover and pull out the old engine air filter. Then you're going to come in here with a vacuum and clean out any debris or any trash that you might see inside of here. Once you get that cleaned out, insert the new filter, place it down inside into the appropriate grooves, push down on the edges all the way around just to make sure it fits down perfectly. Then you're going to push down. Now you're going to notice that you can't push in the clips with one hand. So if I try to push this in, it's going to be very difficult. We're going to start on the back side first. So you'll see right here, I can't get the clip back in just with one hand. So what I'm going to have to do is push down with one hand and then clip in as I'm pushing pressure down. And even then, it's pretty hard. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Push down right here. Again, very difficult to do with one hand. So I'm going to have to push down and then put the clip in. And this one right here in the corner is going to be the most difficult to put back in. I actually use a different tool, 2 different tools. It's going to be a hook. Now the hook is going to look like this. I'll put a link for these tools down in the description below. And I'm going to come in with the clip and just slightly bring it up to the airbox as I'm pushing down on the airbox. You'll see it kind of gets on just right here. It's not fully in though. Now I'm going to switch over to the flathead and push it in the rest of the way. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, or if it helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here on the top left corner for more videos on the 2024 BMW 2 Series. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.